Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Cannon Coffee, and today we have a Bianca V3 with us in the shop. This is a dual boiler machine. People plumb it in or use it on the water tank feature. It has flow control, E61 group head, and it came in because the customer had tried working on the machine. What was happening is the pump was just filling the boiler a little too much. Usually that's indicated with the water probe is either dirty or the water probe is loose and it's slowly going up from the boiler. Now, when the customer went in there and he tried taking it off, a few parts fell actually into the boiler. Or the main part would be this plastic sheath. What this does is it goes on your water level probe that I have here. So this is the original water level probe. It's kind of in pieces. It's not meant to be, but what this will do is it'll go around there. This will go in here, and you can see how I can't put it all the way in, but when you squeeze this bolt to this one, or when you tighten it, it squishes the shroud and it keeps the water level probe from going up and down. The reason you don't want that to go up and down is because if you pressurize your boiler, this will slowly go up and then add more water, go up, add more water, till you're overflowing. And so what we did is we had to open the boiler from the bottom through the heating element. We had to go in there and take it out by hand and then reseal the boiler, and then we put a brand new water level probe inside of your boiler. While I was in your steam boiler, it seemed like there was quite a lot of dark water. So I used a little mechanism to drain it all out. I used kind of like an external water pump, pumped all the boiler out. What I recommend for this machine, when you pick up your machine, buy some new filters on this machine and make sure you're putting really good water in this machine. That boiler was very dark inside. I actually had to clean the heating element up while I was in there because the heating element was pitch black. So I descaled it. The heating element got it nice in its copper look like a brand new one would. So I just recommend please get a brand new filter for this machine. You did come with one on the machine, but it's probably just getting old or it wasn't working properly. But yeah, so we're gonna test the machine. We're using our test coffee, so don't worry if it runs a little too fast, a little too slow. We don't calibrate the grinder to these portafilters, but we're just gonna get a little bit of pre-infusion. We're gonna open it up. And again, it's probably gonna run really fast because it's really coarse coffee. We're just making sure, one, the pump is running right, two, you're getting water into your group head, and then you're just making sure that you can actually brew something. But yeah, so that's that. Take this off for there. We did do a tune-up on this machine. We replaced the group head gasket, group head screen. Also, I personally opened the valves and cleaned the valves out. They weren't shaven, so I didn't really need a overhaul, but I did go in there and clean them by hand just as a precaution for this machine. Also cleaned your steam wand out, which we're a test right now by just opening the valve. You can see what you left. Descaled your machine through the water tank. Also back flushing those valves and everything else I wasn't able to get to. And then last would be hot water. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.